In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail date of birth. First, open your web browser and sign into your Google account by visiting Gmail or any other Google service. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right corner of the page and click on your profile picture or the initial of your name. This opens a quick account menu. From there, choose Manage your Google account. That takes you to the main settings area where you control personal details and privacy. On the Google account page, find the Personal Info section. This is where your basic details are stored. Under Basic Info, locate the birthday option and click it. You'll see your current birth date displayed. Click directly on that date to make it editable. Now, enter your correct date of birth. Use the calendar or drop-downs carefully, and double-check the format, especially if your region displays dates differently. It's important that this information is accurate and reflects your real, legal date of birth. In addition to helping with account recovery and personalized settings, Google uses this to determine age-based features and restrictions. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to review what you entered. Make sure the month, day, and year are exactly what you intend. A quick check now can prevent issues later. When you're confident everything is correct, click Save to confirm the change. If the Save button isn't active, make sure all parts of the date are filled in properly. Be aware that if the new date places your account under age restrictions, commonly under 13 or under 18 in some regions, Google may require verification. That could include parental consent or submitting a government ID to prove your age. This is normal, and it's part of Google's effort to protect younger users and comply with local laws. Also note that Google allows only a limited number of changes to your date of birth. Treat this update as a one-time correction rather than something to experiment with. Entering your true date, exactly as it appears on official documents, is the best approach. After you save, your updated date of birth will be applied across Google services. Changes may take a moment to reflect everywhere, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly in every app. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and take a second to verify your details are correct before you move on.